Welcome back to Bike Vibe, the channel where riders, dreamers, and speed lovers come together to explore the most exciting machines on two wheels. And today we're diving into one of the most anticipated heavyweight touring performance bikes coming in the near future. The 2026 Harley-Davidson CVO Road Glide ST, a machine that blends the soul of classic American touring with modern performance engineering designed for riders who want comfort, power, heritage, and road-devouring capability all in one breathtaking package. And as always, we're here to break down the design, the features, the performance upgrades, the tech, the riding feel, and of course the expected price, so you know exactly what Harley is bringing to the table for 2026 as we roll into a new era of premium V-twin motorcycles. When you think of Harley-Davidson CVO models, you think of exclusivity, craftsmanship, and powerful engines, and the 2026 CVO Road Glide ST takes that identity even further by offering a touring bike that feels like a muscle cruiser on long stretches of highway but still handles with surprising agility for a machine of this size. And right off the bat, the first thing that grabs your attention is the overall stance, sitting low, wide, aggressive, and unmistakably Harley, but with sharper body lines, a more aerodynamic sharp nose fairing, updated LED lighting, and a new performance-focused color palette that gives this bike an instant presence long before you even fire up the engine. Everything about this bike screams capability, from the sculpted saddlebags to the redesigned fairing vents that help reduce buffering at high speeds, making long-distance rides smoother and more stable even when riding through heavy winds. And for 2026, Harley has clearly pushed the balance between road comfort and performance output to meet the expectations of riders who want more than just classic style. They want real muscle and real modern engineering under their palms. Sitting at the heart of the 2026 CVO Road Glide ST is the newest evolution of Harley's Milwaukee-Eight powertrain, and the CVO version for 2026 is expected to feature a massive Milwaukee-Eight 131 high-output engine tuned specifically for performance touring, delivering brutal torque, rapid acceleration, and the deep unmistakable Harley rumble that makes the ground shake beneath you at idle. And with upgraded cooling, refined fuel mapping, and improved throttle response, the engine feels alive, responsive, and ready to surge forward even with the weight of luggage, rider, passenger, and full touring gear. Harley understands that street riders want more than just loud power, they want precise performance. And for this reason the 2026 Road Glide ST gets enhanced suspension tuning with premium inverted front forks, electronically adjustable rear suspension, and a performance braking system featuring high-end calipers and larger discs designed to handle spirited riding, sudden stops, and mountain carving even with a full tour load behind you. Handling is where this machine surprises the most, because despite its imposing size the bike feels balanced, confident, and surprisingly nimble, allowing riders to lean deeper into curves, accelerate harder on straights, and maintain rock-solid stability at high speeds. And much of this comes from Harley's continuous refinement of chassis geometry and weight distribution, making the 2026 Road Glide ST feel like the most stable long-distance performer in Harley's lineup. When it comes to tech and rider comfort, Harley is stepping up with a massive high-resolution infotainment display powered by their newest Skyline OS system, offering ultra-clear navigation, premium audio, Bluetooth connectivity, ride modes, safety assists, and full integration with helmets and communication systems. And the speaker system on this CVO model is expected to be one of the best Harley has ever installed, giving riders concert-level sound quality even when tearing down the highway at high speed. The bike also comes with cornering ABS, cornering traction control, advanced stability control, hill hold assist, adaptive lighting, and multiple ride modes that allow you to switch the overall behavior of the motorcycle depending on your environment, whether you're cruising downtown, taking a long interstate trip, or attacking twisting mountain roads with performance mode engaged. The seating comfort is another highlight, with a redesigned saddle that offers better lumbar support for long hours of riding, improved passenger comfort, heated grips, optional heated seats, and better wind protection thanks to refined aerodynamics and adjustable vents on the fairing that let you personalize your airflow depending on weather conditions. For storage, the saddlebags remain spacious, sleek, and well integrated into the design, offering enough space for long trips without compromising the bike's aggressive look. And the 2026 model also brings improved locking systems, better sealing for rain protection, and smarter internal layouts that make packing easier and more practical. One of the key aspects that makes CVO models special is craftsmanship, and Harley never disappoints here, with premium paint schemes, hand-finished details, high-end materials, and performance-focused finishes, giving the bike a unique handcrafted feel that stands out from standard road glide models, making this bike not just a machine but a rolling piece of premium American engineering. Now let's talk about the price, which is always a major point for CVO models, and the expected price for the 2026 Harley-Davidson CVO Road Glide ST is projected to start around $48,999 in the United States, depending on custom options, color choices, and additional packages, placing it among the most premium touring machines Harley delivers, but also offering unmatched exclusivity, craftsmanship, and performance that justify the price for riders who want the best of the best. This is the kind of bike built for people who don't settle for anything less than top-tier engineering and unforgettable road presence, riders who want to dominate highways, crush long-distance tours, and experience Harley's most powerful touring performance in one machine that pushes the heritage of American motorcycles into the future. So if you're a rider who craves massive torque, long-distance comfort, aggressive touring style, premium tech, exclusive craftsmanship, and a bike that turns heads everywhere it goes, the 2026 Harley-Davidson CVO Road Glide ST is shaping up to be one of the most exciting touring performance machines of the coming year. And here at Bike Vibe we'll continue bringing you the latest updates, breakdowns, and first ride impressions as soon as more details become available. Thank you for watching Bike Vibe. Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss another deep dive review of the hottest motorcycles hitting the roads. And until next time, keep riding, keep exploring, and keep chasing the vibe.